Welcome to my channel. My name is Twitty and I talk all things fashion, luxury, beauty, travel, lifestyle, you name it, I love it and I'm here to talk about it. And today I have an amazing luxury designer haul. I recently went to New York City. My mom and I just decided to take a day trip up to the city and I picked up quite a few things. We have some accessories, some beauty, and you guys see these two lovely big bags here, which I can't wait to open with you guys. So I'm gonna share with you guys everything that I purchased in New York. But before we get into that, please make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. I don't want you guys to miss any videos from me. And I also have, the same day that we went to New York into the city to go shopping, we also went over to Woodbury Commons, which was like a 2-hour drive. And that's the luxury shopping outlet. And I also picked up some great things from the outlet that I will definitely be hauling for you guys in my next video. So make sure you're subscribed because I don't want you to miss that. And also, if you love luxury, fashion, any of that good stuff, please make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. And now we can get started with the haul. All right, guys, so the first things that I picked up while I was in New York were two beauty items. So the first item is this Dior Addict Lip Glow Oil. I had to pick that up because this has been going viral on social media, and I spoke about this, I think in one of my last videos, I spoke about how I love the Dior Lip Maximizer. That is my go-to daily lip gloss. It was in my What's in My Bag video. That's my go-to lip gloss, so I wanted to try this lip glow oil because I love Dior glosses and I just thought the little glow oil was so cute. So I picked this up and I picked up the color pink. And in my opinion, it's pretty thick and sticky. It actually doesn't feel like an oil to me, but I've only tried it once. Actually, let's see. Yeah, so I just put it on. I didn't have any gloss on today, so. All right, so it's actually lightweight. It's actually, yeah, it's lightweight. It's a little, I don't know how to describe it. It's not sticky. I don't know how to describe it. I'm sorry, I'm bad at that. You guys are just gonna have to try it for yourself. But it actually feels pretty moisturizing, which I like. Yeah, just a little thick in my opinion. But yeah, try it out and let me know what you guys think in the comments. The next beauty item that I purchased is from Benefit, and it's this little blush in the color Krista. And I had to pick this up because the OG Makeup Shayla had this on her Instagram. I can't remember if she was like at a Benefit event or something like that. And she showed this blush and she said this was her favorite color. And so I had to pick it up because that meant to me that it is brown girl friendly. And I'll show you guys the color here. Absolutely gorgeous. And the name of it is Krista. And so I haven't tried this yet, but I wanted something, I'd been looking for a blush that was like, you know, had some sparkles in it because I actually contour every day with blush. I use like a matte red base blush. And so I've been wanting something that had a little more color to it and shimmer so that I could actually use it on my cheeks and give my cheeks a flush. So I'm excited to try this out and see what I think about it, but that is the blush in Krista. All right, the next items that I picked up are two pairs of sunglasses. The first pair is from Prada, and I picked these up because I have the white version of these, and I have been wearing the white version all summer. I've been killing those sunglasses. I love them so much. So I had to get the brown, like the tortoise shell, because I felt like this would be perfect kind of for like every day and year round, just like a more classic pair of sunglasses that I could have in my collection, since the white ones are really doing a lot. But I love these. I think they're very flattering on all face shapes, and they remind me so much of like the sunglasses from the 90s, especially in that brown color, because it just has that like very like 90s rectangular, kind of rounded rectangular style that I remember so much. Like, I remember my mom wearing sunglasses that looked exactly like those, and they just are like so reminiscent of that time. The next pair of sunglasses I got came in this beautiful, beautiful velvet pouch. I love this, and they are by Gucci, and these are not classic everyday sunglasses. These sunglasses are extra, and that's why I love them. Oh my gosh, y'all see this chain? Like, these are just fabulous. I'm obsessed. They are like kind of this taupe color with brown tortoiseshell, and I just thought this was so cool. What really sold me was the chain, of course. I love that I can just have them kind of chilling here on my shirt as an accessory, and then when I'm ready to wear them, just put them on. And I just thought that that was so cute and cool and different. I love these, and I think it'll go with quite a few of my accessories this summer. If you guys watched my last video, which was like a designer sale haul, I got this amazing like blush pink Alexander McQueen silk scarf, and when I put these two together, oh my gosh, like, woo, it's a look, it's given. So that's all the makeup and accessories that I got while I was in New York. So now we're on to our final two items, and I'm so excited for these. So the first one comes in this Fendi bag, and let's take it out. Both of these are bags. Here we go, Fendi dust bag, and here is the bag. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is so perfect for summer. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is my Fendi basket bag in the mini size, and I'm obsessed with this bag. It is absolutely gorgeous. I had seen these a few times, but it just wasn't really on my radar until we got to the store, and my mom was like, oh yeah, I've seen that bag, you need that bag. And have you guys ever experienced that? Like, you're shopping with like your friend or your mom or sister or whatever, and as soon as they like say you need the bag, all of a sudden you feel like you need the bag, and it's so you. So that's what I experienced, where it was like, for the first time, I felt like I like really saw this bag, and I was like, oh yeah, I do need this bag. This bag is me, and I love it. And then when they told me the price point, $650 US, of course, that was a no-brainer. Like, I had to get this. This bag is so cool. I think it's gonna be amazing for summer, but because I got it in the black color, I think like it'll actually be pretty cool for me to use year-round. And in the clip, I paired it with this little sequin nano Fendi baguette, and oh my gosh, I need that bag. While I was in the store, I couldn't stomach paying $1,100 for that little mini bag, and ever since I purchased this, it's now, that little bag has been on my mind. I went to the website the other night, and Fendi had a price increase, and that little bag is now $1,290, y'all. So $1,300 for that little sequin bag. I'm gonna have to be like searching the pre-owned market, because I don't think I can do $1,300 for a nano bag. I love a tiny bag. I love micro bags. I love all of it. Tiny bag energy is my jam. But $1,300 for that nano baguette, I don't know how I feel about that. But when I put it on here, it makes me feel like it's worth it. So what do y'all think? Y'all let me know in the comments. Talk me out of it or talk me into it. I'm open for both. Y'all just let me know what y'all think. Do I need the little beaded baguette bag on here? I just felt like it made it pop. So y'all let me know in the comments what you think. But I love this. $650. This bag is complete recycled plastic. So the only leather pieces on it are the little handle piece and then this little medallion here. But everything else is recycled plastic. And so I just think this is like the perfect, cutest little summer bag. It just reminds me of like going to the bodega or something like that. So that's the bag that I picked up from Fendi. And then our final bag is from Balenciaga, and it is another bag, of course. Just the dust bag. right? And you guys are gonna judge me, but apparently that day I was having a whole basket moment. So I have another basket bag, and this one is from Balenciaga. It is white and it's like a patent calf leather, which I think is so cute. It comes with a crossbody strap, which I will probably never use. I think it's so cute. It's just like a hand basket. And then on the inside, it's just this open basket with this one zipper pocket. And I just thought this was the most adorable bag, and with it being white, I think it's perfect for summer. I have been looking for a white bag for summer pretty much all this year, and I could not find the perfect true white. I felt like everything I found was like more of a chalk or like an off-white, but this was finally like that pure alpine white, which I was looking for. So I cannot wait to wear this summer. And I'm just so happy to have this bag. This is the Balenciaga Bistro bag in the size XX small. I have such a hard time finding this bag. I've known about this bag for months. Every time I go into a Balenciaga boutique, it's never on display. Anytime I ask about it, they're like, what bag? I have no clue. And when I finally found it in New York, they had them in stock, but they were like in a drawer. So I don't care if no one else loves this bag. I love this bag. It's perfect for me, and I think the price point is amazing, especially for Balenciaga. This bag was $850 USD, so I think that's great. Most bags, especially luxury bags, are much higher, and I've been having a lot of luck this year adding bags to my collections that are under $1,000, and that's actually pretty surprising. So if you guys want me to do a video kind of like rounding up great luxury bags that are under $1,000, more affordable luxury bags, please let me know, because I'd be happy to do a video on that, and maybe some things, like I said, that like you really haven't seen out on display, but the bags are there. You just have to know and ask for them. I actually purchased this bag previously, just a few weeks ago, in the beige color. I love the beige. I feel like it makes this bag look like an actual basket. But I purchased it in Europe, and within hours, I was robbed in Paris. So that bag was one of the things that they took, which was very unfortunate. I'm safe, I'm healthy, that's fine. So, you know, I will not complain, because I'm happy to still be here. But unfortunately, they took my beige bag, and I have not been able to find this bag in beige at all since then. Actually, when I purchased this one, I purchased the beige one as well. So I technically bought 3 basket bags in one day, which is kind of insane. But I purchased the white and the beige, and when she sent over the pictures to me to confirm the bag, it was the wrong size. It was the XS instead of the XXS, and I only want like the little mini bag of this. I don't like it in the larger sizes. So I was so bummed that it was the wrong color, but I'm still on the hunt now for the beige bistro in the extra small, and I know that it will come my way at some point. But until then, I'm so happy with my little white bistro. I think it's gonna be so cute. I cannot wait to wear this. I'm so looking forward to it, and I'm just in love with everything that I got from the haul. All right, guys, so I hope that you guys loved everything that I picked up. Again, let me know your thoughts on some of these pieces, especially the basket bags. Like, are you into the basket? Are you not? Like, how do you feel about it? I know that's a little bit different. And then also let me know if you guys want to see some affordable handbags. I can make that video as well. Make sure that you're subscribed so you don't miss any of my videos. And especially, like I said, I have the outlet video coming up, and I have some other cool ideas coming up for summer as well. So please subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any of my videos. But until then, I look forward to speaking to you guys in the next video. Bye!